Mathematics is a great motivator for all humans because its career starts with zero and it never ends. With this beautiful thought, I, Krisha, with my co-anchor Sharayu, welcome you all for today's morning assembly with topic Maths is Everywhere. Today is 17 October 2023 Tuesday. Good morning to our respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, HM Ma'am, Coordinator Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. So my dear friends, join your hands, close your eyes, bow your head and get ready for the prayer. Now to respect our nation, we will take pledge. So stretch your right hand and get ready for the pledge. Now I will like to call Ayush for today's beautiful thought.
Good morning to all. My name is Ayush. Today's thought is mathematics is most beautiful and most powerful creation of human spirit. I will repeat my thought. Mathematics is most beautiful and most powerful creation of human spirit.
And now I will call my friends for action song Maths about us all around. Everywhere they can find. Numbers tell how old I am and how many people in my family. How much I ate and how just tall. Where I live and that's not all. Numbers are a part of me. Money, time and history. When to wake up, when to eat. What such shoes to buy for my feet. How much money something costs. A number to call if my dog gets lost. I don't know where I would be if numbers weren't a part of me. If numbers weren't a part of me. Numbers, numbers all around. Everywhere they can find. Numbers, numbers all around. Everywhere they can find. Now I will call my friend Ravi.
Good morning everyone. My name is Satyavanash. Today I will tell you importance of math. First, in nature all around us we use maths every day. Second, maths is used every day in our life. We use maths while shopping, cooking, construction, banking, etc. Third, when we go to the market for shopping, maths help us to calculate the money to give to shopkeeper. Fourth, we use maths in construction by building the structure taking the right measurements. Fifth, maths is used to understand and calculate time and predict weather.
It's full of fun, which is so much learned, where profits are added, losses are subtracted. Maths is base of life. Without it, difficult to survive. So, some students of our class are going to present skit. Maths is not like maths at all. Comes back from school. Ting tong.
Hello my dear, how was your day?
Nothing was good about this day.
Why, but did you get less marks in maths?
Yes, I got it. My teacher told me try, but this silly maths makes me cry. I want to be a superhero, but this maths gives me a big zero. Mom, this is not my cup of tea. Please, let's go away with this maths.
Okay dear, now no more maths in this house from today. It is impossible.
Dad, please give it a try. Let's be happy couple without this difficult maths in our life.
Fine Ria, anything for you my dear. Oh God, please do something for my daughter. She does not like math. Please make her realize the importance of maths.
Let's see what happened in real life after this. Ria is looking at the clock. Clock? Why are you sleeping? Please tell me the time.
I can't. You decided that there is no math in our house. So how can I help you?
Fine, I don't need. I will ask Mom.
Oh
vegetable seller has not come. I have to cook dinner. Ding dong. Oh, I guess he is arrived.
Greetings, ma'am.
Welcome.
Which vegetable would you buy today?
Give me some tomatoes and potatoes.
How much I weight?
How much? Give me some quantity.
Please tell me some quantity.
Quantity I don't know. I can't do maths today. Please come to mom.
Dad. Yes, dear.
Dad, I'm so much hungry. Let's buy some sandwiches.
Okay, Dad, let me take my wallet. Here is no money.
Money. There is no maths in your home. So there is no my place. But
What are the importance of maths?
oh no, I know. Maths is everywhere. I will use it everywhere.
We are happy that you realize the importance of maths.
Our practice makes us understand maths. It's time for group dance on topic math.
किसका फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट है मैथ्स में रूल्स नहीं है सिर्फ जादू तो तैयार हो मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड मैथ्स से दोस्ती करने के लिए दो मुर्गी तेरी दो मुर्गी मेरी चार तेरे मामे की सात सुर में जो तीन ताल मिले धुन बने गाने की दुनिया है सारी नंबरों से बनी बक्से से बाहर निहार हम नजर अभी कीड़े किताबी टेंशन मत ले बोल बेटा ये तो भी जान हंसने को खेल है हंसने को खेल है हंसने को खेल है तो डरना क्या मेरे यार हंसने को खेल है हंसने को खेल है हंसने को खेल है तू टेंशन मत ले यार इतनी तो हल्की है बॉडी तुम्हारी हो जाओ उड़ के फरार बोल बेटा ये तो भी जान हंसने को खेल है